Hello everyone, my name is Emmy and I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. This is the video that is starting the series on saxophone tutorials. Alright, so going forward we are going to be uploading a lot of videos on saxophone tutorials for beginners and intermediate players. So I want to encourage you to subscribe, click the notification bell, like and share the videos as they come your way. I'm assuring you that you're going to get value for your time on this channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to set up your saxophone, especially setting up your mouthpiece, connecting it with the reed, the ligature, and attaching it to the saxophone neck. Again, I want to encourage you to subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, like, and share this video if you get value for your time. Alright, thank you so much once again. Let's get into the video. Mouthpiece. Of course, you have to get your mouthpiece out like this. Alright, the mouthpiece, then you get your reed. Your reed is made from, ensure that the reed is perfectly placed on the platform that has already been made on the mouthpiece, right? The reed is perfectly placed on this platform. You want to carefully put your hand on top of this to ensure that there is a balance between the reed and the mouthpiece, right? So, and also by this side, you want to ensure that it is well balanced, right? So once you achieve that, you carefully put in your ligature just to be sure that you don't break your reed. In everything you're doing, just be sure that you don't break your reed. So please, once you achieve that, also ensure that the reed is balanced up here. Your ligature is beneath this part of the mouthpiece and is not too below. Just ensure that you from this huge part now, you want to make sure that it's like your ligature is in the middle. Alright, so once you achieve that, you tighten up your ligature. That's it. So you cover your mouthpiece and bring out your saxophone neck. Right, so another thing is, depending on the mouthpiece you use, there is somewhere your mouthpiece should get to that will place you in tune, that will ensure that you're in tune when you're playing the saxophone. So yeah, so once you get that place, you want to mark it out. For me, if you can see, there's a quite red mark here, and I had already marked it out, so I will ensure that I get my you get. So once it's there, and yeah, so for beginners, I want to advise that you don't set your reed first before putting your mouthpiece, attaching your mouthpiece to the neck. So please don't do it. You surely break your reed. Set up the mouthpiece, get your mouthpiece on your saxophone neck, get to that exact place you have marked out. Alright, get it there, then take out your reed. In fact, put your ligature first. Yes, put your ligature first and put your reed, then go through that process. Ensure it is balanced, and you're just trying to avoid damage, because this is very easier for you as a beginner, right? And of course, intermediate players don't have to go through this phase. Just set up your mouthpiece. They can't break reeds. They don't pass that. As a pro, you don't pass that, right? Alright. So yeah, this is it. Alright. Thank you once again for staying till now. I want to encourage you to subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell, like, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.